can always see the night. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually gonna be getting into my first item that I ever bought from Gucci, which was this here necklace. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. Honestly bro, I did not pay retail for this right here. As you can see on the box, it says $340 and I ended up getting this necklace for $180 if I'm not mistaken. It's a come up. Now this is a female necklace. As you can see right here, the box is more on the feminine side, but do not be afraid of that. I got this necklace from TJ Maxx for $180, which is honestly a come up considering that that's half of retail damn near. That's crazy bro. I paid half of retail for this Gucci necklace and I'm gonna go ahead and get into it for you guys. So as you can see right here on the front, you have that Gucci box that says Gucci on the front. You got the little snake, I believe, right there on the side in pink or like a tone of red. Let's go ahead and open the box. Inside, what you should see is this right here. It's a little Gucci bag that brings the necklace inside of it. We're gonna go ahead and pop that open. Under the little bag, you should see this little tab that has like a Gucci manual. You pull that, the little Gucci manual pops out, but that's not really as important. Let's go ahead and see what the necklace is looking like. You open this up and inside of here, you have your little Gucci necklace. Honestly, the lady said this is a female necklace, but I don't see it. I feel like this is a fire ass necklace with the little links that are Gucci related. You got the little GGs interlocking right there, and especially for $100 and something, you cannot go wrong with this piece right here. It's not even a choker or anything like that. You can go ahead and adjust the links. You can do a lot with this necklace right here, especially for the price that you can get it for. I would definitely say go ahead and check out your TJ Maxx, because I checked mine and this is the only one they had, but they also had like Gucci bracelets and a whole bunch of other Gucci stuff, glasses and all of that. But when I went to the one in New York, they actually had like 8 different necklaces to choose from. Honestly, this is still my favorite one, but they did have a larger variety in New York, so I would definitely say check out your TJ Maxx, because you might end up finding a Gucci necklace for half off, and that's a come up in my opinion. I want to know what you guys think. Is this a feminine necklace? I've been wearing this almost every day since I bought it. I feel like it's a super fire piece, and bro, this is staying in the collection. But like I said, right here you do have the GGs interlocking on the front of the necklace. You also can adjust the sizing, but obviously I do have it on the last link, and this is fire bro. Like you cannot go wrong with it. The front does have the GGs kind of poking out. I don't know if you can see, they're kind of poking out on the front, and then the back is flat. The back does say Gucci as well. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it does say Gucci on the back as well. I'm gonna show you guys what this necklace looks like tried on. This is by far one of my favorite cops. I actually found this a couple days before Christmas. As you can see, it actually hangs pretty good on the neck. It's not like it's a choker over here on some little baby shit or something like that, but we do have the little necklace hanging on the neck. It comes down a pretty decent amount. This is actually perfect for me. This is where I like wearing my necklaces, and as you can see, it is over a hoodie, so it would probably droop down a little bit more, but nonetheless, this is a fire piece. As you can see right there, the on body, it's a fire necklace bro. It's just a simple little Gucci necklace, and you can definitely find one of these at your TJ Maxx. Go ahead and check them out, because they might just have a necklace for you at the TJ Maxx. It's honestly a crazy come up. When I saw this, I wasn't even looking for a necklace or anything Gucci. I'm like, yo, that shit look fire. The lady from the register was like, that's a girl necklace. I'm like, hey, it's 2019, about to be 2020. Let me try that shit on, and it looks fire, bro. I feel like this is more so a unisex one, because the actual chain is not super thin. Like on female necklaces, they're really thin, but on this one right here is actually a pretty decent thickness. As you can see right here, it's not like a little thin fragile ass chain, which low-key makes it possible for a dude like I to cop this necklace and freak it on a regular. Like this is my everyday piece right here. It isn't silver or anything like that. It's stainless steel, but at least it won't turn your neck green, and it is Gucci. So if you're looking for some designer for the low, I would definitely recommend TJ Maxx. This isn't sponsored obviously, but I just feel like it's a come up, and you should definitely check them out, because I found myself a little Gucci jewels at the TJ Maxx locally. But once again, here goes the box. As you can see, the bottom right there, you do have the price tag, which is $340. I paid $180 for it, which is insane, but that pretty much does it for this video. I feel like this necklace is fire, so I gave it its own video just in case people are looking to buy a little Gucci chain. You never know. Hey, I'm trying to just bring different content. Let me know what you thought about this video down below by leaving a like. Comment if if you would get a chain like this, did I make the right decision by paying half off for this chain right here? Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Also, let me know what type of video ideas you would like me to make down below. And without any further ado, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.